Good morning. Good morning. Already in a trade, I know that. I'm gonna show you just a second what I started here a little bit early maybe. But you know, I just thought why not? Why not? I'm long on gold, by the way. Just saying. I'm just wondering which was the playlist which I was checking yesterday. Which was the playlist? And then I'll go over the charts. Chill step? What is chill step be? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, let's stick with this for now. There. Okay, let's begin the day, shall we? So after yesterday, we had a great day. So you can check last day's stream. It was awesome. Hey there, stop it, seller. You're having an existential crisis. Oh wow, what the hell, man? That's not good. That's not good, man. Well, you know, everybody's been there. Everybody. Sorry to hear that, bro. You know, you gotta come forward with it, you know, and do what you can do around your surroundings. And, you know, for example, when I was totally broke, I was selling Polaroid pictures to strangers and tourists just to be able to pay for my food, you know, if that's the one you're pointing at. Okay, let's start with gold, since right now it seems like gold wants to trick me with the first stop loss maybe this month. So as I was saying, here is some liquidity, which I'm hoping that sooner or later, even if I'm getting stopped out here, I'm looking to go long again on this position. Let's wait and see, I guess, what's gonna happen. Lots of liquidity up here, above 1985.33. So I'm looking to go long again if it stops me out. Oh yeah, that we are still in a bearish order block, by the way, so that's why I'm leaving it here. We are in the range of this hourly order block. It's just philosophy overdose, maybe. Really? What do you mean by that, philosophy overdose? You have what's a philosophy overdose like? You know, philosophy overdose. I don't know what that is. That's comic. According to whoever, the only language that truly made any kind of sense. And don't worry, I'm just messing, I'm just trolling. philosophy overdose. No idea, man. Okay, don't worry, just kidding, just joking around. So let's go back to the chart. So my analysis is almost the same as from yesterday on gold. Not too much to add on this one. Looking for it to take out this buy side liquidity up there. If it stops me out, then so be it. I will still look for a long position somewhere during the day. I mean, maybe most likely in the London session. So not too much to add there. Didn't really took out Asian low, but then again, we have relative equal highs here. Some space to go up, and you know, we have a target. I'm hoping that it will go up. That's my analysis is basically the same as for on gold as for yesterday. Looking to take another long if it stops me out. Okay. And the pound, which is beginning to be my pair, which I'm gonna leave from the 3, and I'm gonna drop the euro most likely, is that we are most likely entering a 1 hour / 4 hour / daily imbalance / FVG. Since if we zoom out, this is the 1 hour. As you can see, we have we have a imbalance which is not yet been repriced here. And if I go to the 4 hour, we also have some of that imbalance right here at the same level above this wick. And if we go to the daily, we still have the imbalance. So I'd say my feeling is pretty strong that we're gonna go into that liquidity. So I think that tells just everything that we need to know about the scenario that we are facing right now. That does not mean that if we go to that imbalance, I am one to short it, although there is a bearish order block, which is absolutely not a perfect order block. It's actually like, it's not a perfect order block. With this long wick candle right here on the hourly. So this is somewhere here, should be, I don't count the wick, but only the bodies. So this should be the range for the order block right there somewhere. That should be the range. Hold on. Let me delete the text on this one. So that could be a potential order block. I might be getting it wrong. I sincerely apologize because I'm not that much into order blocks by definition. I think it could be an order block on the 1 hour on the 11th of May. So lots of liquidity, by the way, on this. Oops, that's a little bit too big one, but you know, I see some liquidity engineered here. Could be taken out, but so far it seems like that we are heading into that hourly / 4 hour / daily imbalance area somewhere. Mid threshold is around, I'm just eyeballing it, 25.60 something ish, 25.61, 63. That's it basically. I'm not looking to do anything yet. I guess we just have to wait to get inside this range and then maybe take a short. I don't know. Let's check the dollar index. Dollar index is, oh wow, dropped quite heavily yesterday. We do have some sell side here, so I think it's going to drop some more. This is the 1 hour dollar index. Also the 4 hour has a pretty nice sell side below here, I mean down here at this wick. I think that sell side could be a potential target for dollar index, and until it's not taking it out, I am willing to hold with any dollar pair short, most likely. Have to wait for that. I should be setting up an alert maybe to this level. All right, I put an alert for dollar index. So then we will make sure of where it's heading. And as for gold, we're still in this, in a drawdown currently, but as I was telling, there's not too much to say about this yet. My bias is still bullish. That doesn't mean that this one could not tank in a second. So far that's it. My entry for the long was based, as I was saying, on my analysis from yesterday. We do have a hourly fair value gap here. We are inside the range left from yesterday. It could act as a kind of a support. I don't even know where my stop loss is. Oh my god, it's not even below the swing. So I do have a tight stop, I must say, on this one. I do have a tight stop. I'm long on 1980.49. Let's put it there. It's a one-to-one trade only. 1980.49. Maybe I entered a little bit prematurely there. And my stop loss is 76.26. Yeah, let me just 76.26 there. And my take profit is 84.93. Let me just adjust it. 84.93. So that's like a 1-to-1 risk reward. I know it's not the greatest. I wasn't aiming for that really. I just wanted to be in this 1 hour fair value gap. Also, there was a fair value gap on the 5 minute if someone wanted to go with a tighter stop. It seemed like as much as I'm seeing this having the same liquidity as I was saying yesterday, up here relative equal highs, here 1, 2, 3, almost three highs here, and almost 4, but technically all right. This still looks like it could go down against me, and you know, maybe reprice a little bit lower. I don't even know. Yeah, maybe it has something to reprice on the 4 hour, maybe. Yeah, down here it could go all the way down. But yeah, I took the risk. I mean, yesterday we had a pretty good day. I said, why not? But so far it's against me. It's money wise on this account, this is a 0.5% position. We'll see how it goes. So far it looks like it wants to take us out. Maybe let's go to the 5 minute. If it takes this low out here, then maybe, but the problem is that, yeah, I think if it goes down here, it could go all the way down here, and then it's gonna take out my stop, and that's not a good thing. I don't care. Yesterday we had a tremendous day, started the month with over 3%. I'm totally fine with it. This was my long-term analysis. If it takes us out, then it takes us out. It's only like, considering it a little bit like a swing trade, and that's it. So as for the pound, we're still waiting for it to get to this zone. By the way, please drop a like if you can. Drop a like to the stream if you can. Support the stream. I'm a noob, small streamer. I'm not a tech guy or something. So we're heading into this 1 hour, 4 hour daily imbalance slash FVG. That's how I say FVG on the pound. I do believe that we are going to go into this range, and we do have a bearish order block on the hourly chart. Range is up there from here, this thing. I might be wrong, sincerely apologize, but this could be a bearish order block. which also acts like a magnet. We have some liquidity, I think, relative equal highs here. We do have some spaces to be cleared. So London session may give us some setup. I don't know. This is gold again. So may give us something. I'm not sure. If not, then, you know, maybe we wait after non-farm payrolls because it's non-farm payroll. And I'm not sure I want to open any kind of position before news. I mean, London session is somewhat all right, but the only thing here I did see is my gold from yesterday, which surely wants to take me out this morning. Yeah, that's what it wants to do. You know, this has repriced that level, but still, this is a swing low, and I think I put my stop a little tight there. It is what it is. 637. I'm already logging it, by the way. This was 637 at London, and this was a gold trade. This was a buy. This was a classic FVG. Original entry was on the 1 hour, so I'm gonna be, yeah, I have a 1 hour. I'm rarely taking a 1 hour trade. Anyway, we closed the month of May with 10% ish. Everything is logged with lots of losing streaks, lots of over trading, lots of mistakes, very, very bad ratio for winning. Still ended up 10%. There was a point somewhere before this losing streak, I was up like 13% or something, and then I went down to 4%, and then I went back up to 12%, then I went down to to 10%. At least it's logged on the stream. So, but anyway, yesterday was great. I'm not complaining, even if I let go this gold trade. So this gold trade was a 1 hour entry. Let's go back to the chart. Good morning there. Good morning. How you doing so far? Let us welcome the newcomers, right? All right. Drop a like. All right. So this gold trade is definitely not looking good. Yesterday we had 4 winners in a row. I'm quite happy. Today I think I might have entered. I actually entered prematurely before the kill zone into this one, because I saw the fair value gap on the hourly, as you can see, but no worries, it's just a 1-to-1 trade. But still, in yesterday's stream, as you can see, there's lots of bags of money. This is my final analysis. I was talking about this yesterday morning in London session. I missed a long entry on gold, by the way, because I didn't get filled on the 1 minute chart. Should have been a great entry, so I missed it. I still think that lots of liquidity is engineered here. We do have 1, almost 2, 3 relative equal highs, but definitely around 2. And this level, I mean, above 84.93, definitely above 84. I think sooner or later gold has to tap into that area. If we go out to the 4 hour, hold on, let me reset. Oh my god, this money is okay. Anyway, still lots of liquidity up there. The whole month of May was basically declining. No real, if even it goes down, I would suggest it would be a market maker sell model, which would be squeezing all those shorts, definitely from this area. So that's my final analysis. But this trade is tricking me. So I'm not gonna take partials. I'm just gonna close it at 1-to-1. 90% of my trades I go to TP2, like a 2 risk reward. This is just a 1-to-1 trade setup, nothing extra. I thought that it's gonna go there. It can still go there. Maybe if the market's open at London, maybe it will have some volume to push it up there. But we're still waiting for that. Oops. We're still waiting. We have lots of things to do up there. I'm not sure I'm trading the euro this morning. So I definitely want to let go a few pairs, not just a few, because I'm trading 3 pairs actually. I'm trading the pound, the gold, and the euro, but I do want to let go most likely the euro because I just can't concentrate. Even 2 markets are too much to concentrate to, so I'm willing to go down to 1 maybe, but definitely have to drop 1 pair. And since Forex is going to die anyway in a few years, I'm gonna focus all my trades on gold and index futures, but on MetaTrader Broker, you know, it's just not. Show me how many lots you took. Hey there, Ragnar, how many lots? I took 0.53 lots on this trade, which is what do you say, 4 lot? No, 0.53, because this is a 50k account. Actually, it's less than 50k, and that is $250 in terms of stop loss. That is actually not even that, $224, which is less than 0.5% risk on this trade. I'm not showing all my accounts because right now I'm trading 3 accounts at a time with the trade copier, and this is just a challenge account, but I'm logging every trade on stream. So yeah. So this is my only trade this morning. Yesterday I had 4 winners. Today so far I have no result for this. Yesterday we had 4 trades on pound. All of them were winners, which is cool. Up 3%. And last month we were up 10%, but we took so many trades, 77 trades. So it was, yeah, it was quite. So I'm not doing like 10 lots, 50 lots. I'm not a Lambo guru. I'm not a Instagram, whatever, Ferrari Lambo guru guy or whatever. I'm just trying to be transparent, and that's it. But I'm only sharing this challenge account. I'm not sharing my private accounts and my funded accounts. I'm funded at FTMO, by the way, with the 100k. So I'm not funded with $1 million or whatever. I'm just funded. That's it. Anyway, so it looks like gold is gold wants to take me out. Let's respect it. With 1 spike, it can take me out real easy. If it takes us out, then we're gonna go look for new long entry if it gives us in the kill zone to take out that buy side. So that's the plan. Oh, your friend Andre, he's watching you right now. Say hello to BTC liquidation. Wow. Okay then. Hey, dude. Whatever. This is to Andre, and this is to BTC liquidation. Yeah. There you go. and if you can, please drop a like. Hey, you're welcome, man, and thank you for dropping by to the stream. You know. So I entered into this trade, and hey there, BTC liquidation. Thanks for dropping in again. Yeah, Ukraine. Hey, dude. Awesome. I'm from Hungary. Man. So we're basically neighbors, but I hope that, dude, we don't go into political stuff like that. I love Ukrainian people, you know, and I truly, genuinely wish like all the best to your country, man, and to your people. I know your guys are through a lot of struggle there, so I wish everything is going to turn out well for you guys. You're from Ukraine, wow. Wow, awesome, man. So yeah, I really wish that things are going to turn well for you guys over there. I have relatives from Ukraine, so, and I have a good friend from there as well. So, man. All right. Oh, I pushed the wrong button there. Oh, anyway, don't worry. It's cool. What the hell? I just want to... I want to see something. I want to check something real quick. Oh, this gold is going to be a nasty one. I see that. So after yesterday's winning streak, now finally we are in a bit of a fizzle here. So I entered this this gold trade, but you know how it is.
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
We will welcome you in such a way that you will remember it for years to come. We will greet you very warmly. Oh my God. Well, I know you guys have lots of ways. I mean, in a positive way. Note, I think you guys are like have special and unique ways to entertain and welcome people. I'm suggesting, you know. I was in Ukraine, Odessa. I was in Odessa and Kiev. Well, it was not now. I was in Odessa like 5 years ago. I have some friends there. But yeah, I don't know what's going on over there right now. I mean, how are the daily things are going on, like, you know, like how people are living right now, the daily things. I mean, kids go to school, people go to work and such, you know. I don't know how that goes nowadays. I mean, I know it's different on the east side than on the west side on the country. I'm aware, but it must be hard and difficult. So you get all my wishes, best wishes and prayers. And I know that our government, our prime minister in Hungary is an idiot. I can say that, but that's all for politics. We're not all like our prime minister because he's an asshole. Our prime minister is an asshole. That's it. And that's all for politics. All right. Still holding on to gold. Don't have high hopes, but my final, I still stand by my final analysis. If it takes us out, there's still lots of liquidity engineered up there. So I was talking about this yesterday, and Hmm. If it takes us out, then I'm gonna just wait to take this swing low and maybe look for a long entry. As long as this high is not taken out, then I mean, I'm open to suggestions and ideas. I think this is gonna take our stop loss out, most likely. We have like a very small chance to survive this. We do have a last line of defense, but my stop is very tight here. This fair value gap can provide a little bit of support, but I don't know. If we, you know, if it's gonna fail, it's no problem. It's gonna be our first stop loss. As I said, I'm gonna look for another entry because that's my ultimate target. I'm not married to the idea. I'm only entering if we do get a valid setup. So if we do get a valid setup. So how about you guys? I mean, you guys are trading. Are you guys trading ICT, Forex, or whatever, or whatnot? Are you guys pros or just beginning, or I don't know. I'm always interested in anyone on which phase on they're on trading wise. Okay, let's go to the pound, check the pound, because these are the two pairs which I'm looking for. My target is, okay, look at this. This fair value gap here is, we do have a fair value gap on the 5-minute pound right now, which could be a possible long entry, but it's a low probability entry for me. So we could enter long here if we're suggesting that we're heading into that fair value gap. My only problem is that this is midnight open New York time. And we did not do any kind of liquidity sweep, you know. If we consider this as the classic ICT model, no liquidity sweep. I would like this one to go down, at least take out this sell side. And then I would consider go long on a pound. But not from this point. Not from this point. So we're just waiting for now. We are waiting, and I think like we have a 70% chance that we're gonna hit the stop loss on gold. Mm-hmm. Yeah, about a 70% chance. Okay, pound is going up. Decided to edge a little bit higher, which is absolutely fine. It's great. I'm expecting a phone call, by the way, any second, so but don't worry, I'll be here. Just saying. Our gold trade is not looking that good. Entry is based on the 1 hour. Let me say it again, not on the 5-minute, based on the 1 hour. A little bit prematurely. I'm not adding to this position. If it takes us out, so let it be. and we just wait for the next entry if we get one. This is strictly a one-to-one risk reward. I mean, we could go for a 1-to-2 as well. But I would be just happy to close what I can in London session. And so far that's it. Pound took this liquidity here. I mean, actually it is, because it repriced that gap, and now it's heading for that that imbalance up there. But still, until we don't take out this sell side, I don't think that I'm willing to go long on this one. It's not valid for my entry criteria. Did I eat my breakfast? Yeah, I did. All right. Okay, what's happening on gold? Gold is getting tired. I think gold is just getting tired here. Might be having some issues. Not a big deal. So pound, let's go to the 1 hour and let's check the day, dollar index after that. Pound should be repricing that range. This is 1 hour / 4 hour / daily imbalance. I'm willing to go long, but only if it takes out some sell side, because this recent 5-minute fair value gap is just not convincing enough for me to take any kind of long positions here, especially with gold edging down, almost taking me out, which is not a problem. Yesterday, as I was telling and keep repeating, yesterday we closed May with over 10%, and just only yesterday we had 4 winning trades in a row. That's why we are up over 3%. So I'm just saying this if someone is new on the stream and to understand the big picture. Okay, let's check the dollar index. Okay, this is the 1 hour dollar index. We have sell side liquidity here, which I believe is going to be taken out. If we go down to the 5-minute, fair value gap has been taken on the 5-minute, nothing on the 15-minute. We do have a fair value gap on the 13-minute, but we have this long wick candle all the way. Everything is opened up for dollar index to take out the sell side down here. Market open is 19 minutes away. 19 minutes away, and this is drop a like on the stream if you can. Support the stream, please. So that's what we're waiting for. A little bit of a drop on the dollar index should help us, especially with the gold trade. But I think, I mean, yeah, I did that yesterday. I did that yesterday London session. You can check it on the VOD and the stream. My analysis is going to be the same. Even if it takes me out, I'm still going to look for a new long position. Maybe if it takes this low out, then I'm going to be looking for a new long if it gives us a new long entry. Otherwise, nothing there. So our entry is just a 1-to-1 risk reward. Nothing fancy. Entry based on the 1 hour. I usually like take a 1 hour time frame trade like once every month maximum, maybe once every 2 months. So it's very rare. I'm most likely trading on the 5-minute, 1 minute, 15-minute intraday time frames. But since it was so tempting to take this trade You know,
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist. But for now, it definitely seems like, unfortunately, this sell side could be taken out quite easily right there. We do have a sell side, which bothers me a lot. I would be more than happy if it go up and then take out sell side, but I think I jumped in too early into that trade based on the 1 hour. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I didn't sleep too much, gotta be honest with you. I slept like maybe 4 or 5 hours. So yeah. And I did not have any coffee this morning. So no coffee yet. Damn it, what the hell is this song? So no coffee yet. Yeah. So if anyone new on the stream, I'm just saying that if I see like a few extra viewers, I always tell that we had a great day yesterday. In one day we managed to get over 3% gain with 4 winners, all taken on the pound. Although last month of May we finished with 10%, April finished in 16%, and so on. March was 12%, February was the worst, 6%. And I was in hospital in January, that's it. I think we made a few percent there as well. All the trades are logged on stream. So far we are up 3.3% if you risk 1% per trade. So that's cool. That's it. This was an order block. Yeah, we are still in an order block. That's why I left it here, because we are in the range of a 1 hour bearish order block here. Which is crazy, by the way. But it is what it is. Yeah, this gold trade is tricking us. Okay, interesting. Dollar index, this is 5-minute dollar index right now, should be dropping into into this level right here. That's what I like to see, some liquidity there. Oh my god. Yeah. At least the good thing is that we are in a discount array intraday on gold. I think pound, if someone entered here, he or she should be in break even already on pound. So again, this is a 1 hour gold entry. If we consider, no, it didn't really take that out. So not too much liquidity has been taken here. That's a bummer. That's a bummer. Pound is gonna go higher. Wow, my god, I'm sleepy. Now the euro, let's see the euro, just, you know, as a point of interest. I'm not into euro. Yeah. No buy side here that I see so far. We do have an order block there. Oh yeah, here it is. Took out buy side here, which is great. Yeah, it can go down again, reprice, then go up, or let me just put this here. We have some liquidity there. I guess we'll never know. Bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum. Okay. I'm sorry. So far, nothing. No entry. No entry. No entry. No entry. So I'm nourishing this gold trade for a bit of time. Market opens up in 10 minutes. We have no news. Spanish unemployment change. I don't know. I don't know if it does any impact. I mean, most likely not, but let's check the news. Do we have any news? Any kind of significant news this morning? Bank of America, okay. French industrial production, no. No, nothing. Nothing. Asia equities rose on Friday, powered by Advances in Hong Kong. Listed technology companies and traders expect the Federal Reserve to suspend interest rate hikes in June. Stock rose in Japan, Australia, and mainland China. US future rose after the S&P 500 Nasdaq rallied on Thursday. A strong spike in tech titans. Watch it. Okay, advance ahead. Okay. Jobs data that is expected to show a slowdown. Okay. Hang Seng Index climbed more than 2.5%. Forex Trading pulling the benchmark back from the verge of a bear market after concerns over Chinese growth eased somewhat. Thursday, after stronger than expected manufacturing statistics, South Korea Kospi Index was the only verge of a bull market after 20% recovery from recent low in September. Wow, that's really something, right? Okay, this gold trade is coming to get us. Oh my god. I need the coffee, man. I need the coffee. I know. Okay. So, yeah, it goes down. Pound is struggling. Okay, dollar index repricing this fair value gap on the 30-minute currently. Oops. Repricing this fair value gap right now. On the hourly, there is not much conflicting price action, definitely. It's not helping gold. On the 4-hour, nothing really. I do believe still that it's gonna turn around. This is the 15-minute, already in the 15-minute fair value gap, dollar index. I do expect a turnaround to take out that that low over there. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. Oh my god, there's a plane above the building. It's really close. It's flying real close, guys. Maybe you can hear it as well. Yeah, they put the new airport here. I'm so happy. Okay, so this is the pound. It could be ranging all day, by the way. It sure looks like it can. But the gold trade is... Okay, this is the dollar index. The gold trade, this is based on the 1-hour time frame, not on the 5 or the 15 or the 1. This is strictly based on my yesterday's analysis, which is this. in terms of liquidity. So after we had 4 winners in a row, if it takes me out, and this is like, this would be totally fine. After yesterday making that huge profit, it's totally fine. I just did not want it to miss the train. So I woke up, went to the chart, I saw an entry on the 1 hour, I took it, strictly only with the 1-to-1 risk reward. It is what it is. If it goes down, for example, so this is the 1 hour, if it goes down here, below this area, then I'm willing to go long again if it gives me a valid entry. Oops. I always forget to cancel my pencil tool. Cancel my pencil. So this is my gold scenario. Lots of money there. On gold. This is the trade. Oh my god, there's an ambulance as well. What the hell is going on this morning? So I didn't take this trade because we didn't take any liquidity from here. This would have been, I'm not saying it won't go up there, but overall final destination for pound, I think it will be this 1 hour, 4 hour / daily imbalance with an order block on the top. It should go there and reprice that. But I'm not going long because there was no liquidity taken on this session or since midnight. So I'm not taking any position yet. I would love to go short, by the way, somewhere in this area, somewhere maybe. If it gives me a valid entry, I would love to go short. But not until then. So far, this is hovering in this consolidation area all morning. This is Asia high, Asia low, so we're ranging, definitely. Market is opening in less than 1 minute. Sorry, 20 seconds. Yeah, about 20 seconds. So I'm gonna go to my MetaTrader and let's see what the hell is gonna go on with this gold trade. Is it gonna take us out finally? Because then I'm gonna look for new entries below. Oh, let me delete this. Below that level. Okay, market open is here. London just opened up. London just opened up. So we'll see if we get some volume here. Pound is dropping lower. We're gonna check the dollar index too. Yeah, gold is gonna go down, I guess. I'm still standing by my analysis. But if it goes down, I'm definitely going to be looking for a possible long entry, even if just for a scalp. Okay. London Open so far yet did not bring any major movement. Almost stopped out from this gold trade. I'm just waiting what the market wants to do. Let's see. Unfortunately, I do have a feeling, a gut feeling that what it wants to do before it goes up, and it wants to take out liquidity down here. So we're waiting. It's the waiting game. It did reprice a little bit of... I mean, this is an order block, not a strong one. This here is acting as an order block maybe. I don't know if it's going to be enough to help us out. But it is an order block on the 5 minute. Who knows? Who knows? Order block wise, we're cool. Let's see what the pound is doing. So the pound is doing what I'm hoping that it should do. I mean, the gold is having quite a way to go. By the way, if you're new on the stream, please drop a like. Yeah, I'm trying to, put the stream to work, Anyway. Lots of liquidity there. Relative equal highs. Lots of stuff. Let's go. Oops. Sorry. Just a quick phone call. Sorry, guys. All right, just to clear this, this is now originally, this was originally a $250 trade, which is 0.5% of this account. This is the maximum risk I'm willing to take here. So my overall stop loss would have been somewhere here in this fair value gap as a last line of defense. Unfortunately, it seems like it's going to take it out. No worries. We're gonna log it with a full loss. It was a 1-to-1 trade. It is what it is, but I'm not worried about it. Absolutely. After yesterday, I realized that I put the stop loss to a wrong place because I wanted to leave some wiggle room to price in this fair value gap. Unfortunately, I do think that it's going to take out the stop loss. So I should have just, close it. I'm going to leave it for now. And most likely if it takes it out, then it's going to go down below the sell side liquidity and take it out as well. So then we're going to look for a re-entry, but only if we have a setup. If not, then we're just going to leave it. Otherwise, the market is not really moving as the way we would like it to move. So yeah. This is not going to be enough for gold to reprice and to go further up. So I think we have to wait for the stop loss to take place. I mean, sorry, to take out this swing low here. And then maybe try a re-entry, right? All right, let's save ourselves some dignity and close this manually. Right, and this is going to be logged as a full stop. Let me do the there. All right, it has been logged, and now we're gonna just put a stop loss here. This was based on the 1 hour, so it didn't succeeded as much as I wanted it to be. There. All right, let's update today's profit. We have our first loss here. Monthly profit is down, but we're still good. Okay. We are at 2.3% so far, thanks to yesterday winning streak. Looking for a re-entry. And this is a stop loss, so let's delete this. We still have some time from the kill zone, so let's be on the lookout here. No re-entry here. I'm looking to enter, let's delete this. I'm looking to enter only if pound takes out sell side. Yeah, dollar index is edging higher. Let me delete this alert. We do have sell side here. Looks like it wants to take it out. Actually, you know what? This could also be a long position right here because it almost looks like a breaker, bullish breaker on dollar index. Quite interesting, by the way. It's on the 5-minute chart. This is gonna go down. I'm gonna put an alert here. Yeah, we put an alert here. On gold, and we're gonna be watching the pound to take out this sell side and then maybe go long if we're still in the kill zone. So far we're good. We had our first little stop loss, which is fine, less than 0.5% on this account. Money wise, I logged it as a full loss on the journal. So we had 5 trades, 4 of them were winners, 1 loss, first loss this month, which is cool. We had TP1s, we had TP1 and 2, and only TP1 there was none. All right, so 5 trades so far this month. Please leave a like on the stream if you can. So I'm looking for gold and pound to spike lower, and then I'm gonna be targeting higher levels. All right, I'm here. Just went out for a coffee and some snacks. So, overall, nothing major. We had this small loss on gold, but it's fine. This was the one. I took it based, oh sorry, excuse me, on the 1 hour fair value gap. Not a big deal. Still, I think it's gonna go all the way up there to 1985. I took it prematurely, but it is what it is. I don't care. I journaled it, so we just have to wait, I guess. Although this fair value gap gives some support, but I would be, I mean, it would be a much better entry if it would take out this low and then go up again, I guess. That would be something I would look for. For now, I don't think I'm interested. On the pound, let's go to TradingView. On the pound, I still think that this gap at the 1 hour, which represents a 1 hour, 4 hour and daily imbalance, should be tapped into. But the next sell side, which is interesting to me, is right here as a swing low. So I would consider that as a liquidity sweep. Until then, no entry. So far, we still have some time left from the kill zone. So we're just waiting. The euro, I don't even care about the euro anymore. So these are the two things I'm watching for now. The dollar index, I think. Hold on. Yeah, the dollar index is getting stronger a bit. Actually did a structure break, almost like the dollar index almost looks like that it did a breaker setup, but no, it did not. Anyway, we do have a fair value gap here. Let me just put it to the right place, right here, with a structure break. I mean, this could mean some dollar strengthening, but so far we do have some liquidity down here on based on the 1 hour for dollar index. So because it did not take it, sorry, I would be cautious for any. I'm not trading dollar index, but I would not go long here. So this is all for now. I would like to see the pound go here. Oh my god, that's too big. I would like to see the pound go here. That's the plan so far. So this is the good old waiting game. Sorry about the noise, guys. That was an alert. So we're just waiting for possible long setups. So far, I'm not sure if we're gonna get any. My trade from yesterday on gold, which I'm anticipating that it should go over 1985, is still intact. So I'm looking forward to that. I am looking forward to that trade. The previous trade ended up in a loss. We logged it. Here it is. Yeah, all right. So far this month we're still up 2.3%. 4 trades, 1 loss this month. So doing good so far. Yesterday all of them were winners. So yeah, but you know, previous month we were up 10%. So we're still fine. We're still good. Please drop a like on the stream if you can. It would mean a lot. That would mean a lot to me and to the stream. Let's build a community here. Oh my god, my microphone stand is squeezing, or I don't know what it's not squeezing, but making these ugly sounds. So we're waiting for pound as well to take out some liquidity here, because overall on the hourly, let me reset the chart. Overall, I think This 1 hour slash 4 hour slash daily imbalance should be repriced or tapped into. So it did take out a little bit of sell side here. If I go down to the 1 minute, but it's not that strong a level for me. As you can see, this is the 1 minute chart. I'm not really too much into this long setup. I would prefer to take out this sell side right here and then look for more long entries, or any kind of long entry, sorry. So possible setups from below here, from this sell side. That's the swing low. And as you can see, if someone would go long on this fair value gap or on this one as well, this is not even a clear structure break, he or she would be sweating. So this is the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Waiting for that level to be tapped. Same goes for gold. My gold bias is bullish, remains bullish, but I do want this to be taken out. There might not gonna be any kind of reaction before news, so we have non-farm payrolls, so I don't expect too much in the London session. We have about an hour left from the kill zone. Let's see. Anything can happen. Actually, you know what? Since this is gonna take out sell side anyway, we can go for a scalp here. All right, let's scalp this one. This is a 1-to-1 scalp trade. Kind of an inverse fair value gap trade, but you know, not the most perfect one. I know that. But if gold wants to take out those lows, then this should be the move before it goes up again. Let's check out pound. Pound still struggling a little bit with this. There is some sell side right there for pound, and that's for gold. We are waiting. We are doing the waiting game to take out sell side, and then potentially we're gonna look for longs. That's the plan for now. Because there was a fair value gap on the 5 minute, it clearly went through it. So sell side is really close. Lots of stops here, especially from Asia. This is an Asia low. you know, could be a possibility for this one to take that out. So let's just wait and see. I think lots of traders are long from that with that stop loss. So that's my theory. We're not expecting any extra news, so let's check the 1 minute, shall we? Let's put a scale fix here. All right. So this is the trade that we're looking for. Did I zoom it out correctly? I think I did. All right. So that dotted line below is sell side or that last swing low. I'm sorry, everyone. I was having a phone call. Alright, so this trade is definitely wants to take us out. Damn, that's bad, you know. I was really hoping that gold is going to take out that swing low before it goes up. But it's just not the case, it seems like. Because I'm not taking long position. I did not want it to go long until we do have a significant, a swipe down there. So yeah, that's not good. I'm not happy about this. Not even a bit. Although we had a fair value gap for a long entry here, but technically no liquidity sweep, so should have scratched the trade. But it is what it is. We're gonna log it with one more loss, and that's it for today's session, I think. Yeah, unfortunate. Last line of defense here. Oh, that's a shame. Because yesterday we were doing so fine, and now this, just not the way I was looking at things. Actually, we're not even 1% here. Oh yeah, this is the 1% threshold here. There. On this account. So, messed up a little bit there. I'm not sure I want to, I'm not increasing the risk more because that's the 1% threshold per trade. So, don't know what to do here. I might close it here manually. Have to wait and see, I guess. Problem is with the long wick candle there. I do want it to see this being taken out. And the pound didn't make any new lows, so that's why I was hoping that maybe gold will spike down. But it's just not doing it, you know. It's not doing it, boys and girls. Okay. What can we do? Nothing, really. We have to close it. I think it's gonna stop us out anyway here. Yeah, it's going for the stop level. It's really unfortunate because we were so close to that swing low. I almost had it for sure that it's gonna take us out there. I mean, it's gonna take us to the take profit level there, but yeah, it just didn't. But anyway, the pound is still doing nothing. Gold is nothing. This is gonna be our second loss for today, and therefore we are closing down shop. And we're ending the day with 2 losses and down to 1.3%, which is cool. We had worse days than this, much worse. But it is what it is. 2 L's and we're out. You know, that's the rule. And we're sticking to it. We are sticking to the rules. We have to. By the way, drop a like, please, if you can. To the stream. Let's grow together. Yeah, I think I should close it manually, but, you know, it is what it is. At least with the previous trade, I saved some capital by closing it manually. So if this one takes us out with full stop, we're still all right, I guess. But the rule is the rule. We're exiting. I mean, we're stopping for today. This is it. That's how we need to do. things. This wasn't a clear entry. I mean, technically it was an entry, but no liquidity sweep on the 1 minute so far. So as far as it seemed like a good entry on the 1 minute, but not really valid without liquidity sweep. So that's why I didn't enter. I did not enter on this long. And quite the opposite, I wanted to take out some liquidity. That's why I went short and then considered to go long. That was my original plan. So that swing low down there was, I mean, it's an interesting level, because I think many people are long from there since yesterday, especially. That's an Asia low, by the way. That's an Asia low, and I think many traders or whatever, hedge funds or whatever, many long positions are accumulated below that level. So if I would be the algorithm, I would take out those lows before I want to go long, because overall in the big picture I'm overall bullish. So this would have been just a 1-to-1 ratio sort of scalp trade, but yeah, it is what it is. Unfortunately, we have to deal with this as well. The only thing I'm sorry for is that I'm not trading the NFP this afternoon. 2 losses makes it invalid for me, money management wise. So I'm gonna be watching it. Maybe I'll stream it, but I'm not sure I'm gonna take any trades. 2 losses that I have to keep down the frequency of trading. So we'll see. So by the way, if someone just dropping in, the target, the take profit level is just a little bit above the Asia swing low point for gold. So it's just a little bit below that. Let me just yeah, let's put a line here. There. That's Asia swing low exactly. Let's look at the level. Low 74.02. 74.02. Let's put it there correctly. 02. So that's Asia low. That's what I was targeting before I want to go long to 1985, because as far as this 1 minute entry goes, it was not a perfect entry. That's why I didn't take it. I want to see it drop below that swing low before even considering. I mean, if it goes higher from this, it's fine. Then I might be scalping a long position. No, I'm not. I'm sorry, because we're out. I would be scalping somewhere around here if we get to that point, because there is quite some liquidity up there. I was just really hoping that we will dive down here and take out these lows, but that's not gonna happen, unfortunately. So yeah, almost out of the kill zone, and the pound is not doing anything just as well. Yeah, nothing here. This is the gold. All right. Oh, damn. It's going against us. At least kill zone is over anyway, so... I really wanted this one to drop like a rock, but it's not going to. It's going to take out this high, and that's it. Yeah, she's pushing. Yeah, it's gonna be a full 1% stop, so we're logging it, don't worry, we're logging it. Actually, I'm already logging it on just a second. But it's still unfortunate because I still think that before we go long, it should take out that swing low. My entry was in a bad position, so now we're out. We're out with a little bit over 1%, but the two positions is still below 2%. Still, for this session, it's over. We're logging the trade. We're logging the trade with a 1% loss, which occurred at 402. 402, yeah. Let's see. 402, London. This was a gold trade. This was a sell. It was a scalp trade. Ended up with a stop loss based on the basically 1 minute, and it didn't work out. I'm gonna log the chart a little bit later on. So right now, the monthly profit is down to 1.3%, and today we had 2 losses, so we're closing shop. All right. Well, I was expecting more from this session, at least some good scalps, but pound is ranging, and I really wanted to see gold go down. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. I think that's it for today. I'm not trading more after 2 losses. I guess we'll continue. Maybe I'll be here streaming just to watch for the news and the NFP, but that's it for trading wise. Thank you so much for being here, and most likely we're gonna be here on Monday, and maybe I'll do a video on the weekend about the whole last month and try to analyze these trades as well later on. So thank you so much. Drop a like, please, if you can, and sub to the channel. See you guys soon. Thanks so much.